Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys, talking to you a little bit about PolySwarm today, NCT. This thing has been on the move today. So apparently, right now, we see that it is at 37% of a rise. Uh, I kept looking to see if I could find any information about why. Don't know exactly what happened, but hey, I'm not mad about it. Just to give you guys a heads up, to be honest with you, I was going to do a video on this one this morning when it was under 2 cents. And I said, hey, get this before it goes above 2 cents. But hey, it is what it is. One thing I will say about PolySwarm, I've noticed that this one is very sporadic, for lack of a better word. So just keep in mind that it is up for right now, but I need to see that it's a catalyst that's going to keep it up, so to speak. Remember that nothing that we see on this channel is financial advice, but if you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We're growing and we ask that you grow with us. Be happy to have you. Now, but yeah, things are going pretty well overall so far today. Let's take a look at the 7 day. It's up pretty good, about the same amount, 30 something percent. The 1 month, it is up mainly because of today's rise. And for the 1 year, it's also up as well. So a little bit over 60%. So it appears that PolySwarm overall has been doing pretty well. This is what I'm going to say, not financial advice. PolySwarm is kind of sporadic. I've been watching this, it goes up, it goes down, etc. If we don't necessarily see a catalyst that's going to keep it up, and I haven't really found any news on it as of yet, then I would let this thing cool off for a little while. Some of you guys are already invested in PolySwarm, and this might be the time that you might want to exit or something of that nature. I don't have a problem with that. However, I do see it going a lot further up, so I'm not going to be trying to necessarily, you know, how can I say, cash out right now. So, but it's up to you. Everybody has their own preference. Some of you guys were probably in this before it was even a penny. So maybe that you're at the point where you want to do that. But just a little bit of consideration on that. Let's keep that in mind. So, and let's keep it moving a little bit. Talk about what's going on in the crypto world today. I'm noticing right now that, let's see, Bitcoin is down slightly. It's still at 107,000. Ethereum is at 2,400. Fear and greed is about neutral. So nothing really fancy going on. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is pretty strong right here at 64.7%. Ethereum at 9.1. So that's getting a little bit better. Nothing really special going on today. Today is fourth in the United States of America. Remember that PolySwarm is one of these made in the USA. Maybe that's got something to do with it. Maybe somebody was feeling extra patriotic today and they just wanted to buy a ton of PolySwarm. So you just never know. Happy 4th of July from PolySwarm. So this is pretty nice on the page and everything. But just a heads up to consider what may be going on. We'll keep researching a little bit. If anybody else out there knows exactly if there was some specific PolySwarm news, let us know. Just leave some comments in the comment section. Now, let's go ahead and look a little bit further. Don't forget, I'm going to the website right here that we got the PolySwarm partners. Do not forget that one of the catalysts for this may be the fact that we have a lot of good partners like Alibaba, what's that, CrowdStrike, and I mean, we really got some positive names here. Kaspersky, let's see where else we're going. A lot of good names. So Trust Look, etc. This is one thing I will say. Do not forget that PolySwarm is a well-established and really was the first established cybersecurity crypto, period, hands down. So this is well established, and it's an awesome as far as like how can I say investment, in my opinion, concerning crypto. But this is not a fly-by-night organization. They've been here for years. They've been handling things, and so let's keep that in mind as far as PolySwarm. They got plenty of partners as well. But like I said, chart's looking really good today, and hopefully it'll look even better. But in my personal opinion, let this thing cool off a while, and this helps a lot of people's positions. But yeah, let's keep looking a few days and see what's up. I've been watching PolySwarm for quite some time, so probably years by now. But at this point, I'm not feeling that we need to jump out of our seats or anything. Just be happy it's up today. Consider that it's over $2. Not two. My bad. I wish it was over. Never mind. But consider it's over 2 cents right now. So if there's a position that you need to take, you might want to take it. I would not buy right now. Because I notice sometimes that when we talk about the fact that something's gone up or run up, the first thing I see on the comment, hey, I just bought PolySwarm. Whoa, 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 whoa. You should have bought it when it was down, not when it's up. So don't buy this right now just because you see it's up 37%. Do not buy it right now, please. Look, but don't buy. All right. But anyways, just wait and be patient, and it's all going to come to pass. I think this is great crypto. I'm really looking forward to go way up. Don't forget, this was like at 10, 12 cents or something like that. I think the high overall was 17 cents. But just a heads up, this thing can go way up from here. Keep your eyes open and let the good times roll. It's Al, Real Life Investing. Happy 4th and have a good one. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.